Why do kids struggle with math? It's because they can't see it. And for them to understand it, they must see it. So here are some Singapore math materials that can help you explain your math lessons. First, we have the linking cubes. The linking cubes can be used in your lesson of counting numbers and adding and subtracting numbers. We can also use it for multiplication. And guess what? You can also use it in teaching the students how to measure the length and the height of objects using non-standard units. Next, we have the base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks are perfect for letting your students understand how many ones are there in a 10, how many tens are there in 100, and how many hundreds are there in 1,000. They will be able to understand place value. They will also understand how to add and subtract bigger numbers. It can also help them understand the process of regrouping. A lot of students find fractions very difficult to understand because, unlike whole numbers, fractions are quite hard to visualize, right? And the next manipulative that we have is perfect for this problem. The fractions discs or bars. Here, they'd be able to visualize what one half or one fourth looks like. They can see that two fourths is also equal to one half. So these are the fractions discs or bars. Just like fractions, decimals are also quite hard for students to visualize. So the decimal tiles are perfect to help the students see what 1/10 is, what 3/10 are, and together with the fractions tiles or the fractions bar, you can also let them see the relationship of fractions and decimals. Another helpful Singapore math manipulative is the geometric solids with nets. These are perfect for lessons on getting the volume of solid figures and also getting the total surface area. With the nets, it will be easier for students to visualize the faces of each of the solid figures. For more math tips like this, follow us on our social media accounts.